Hey guys, what's your favorite fruit?
Oh, I love apple. They're crunchy and sweet. How about you? I'm a big fan of bananas. They're convenient and full of potassium.
That's cool. Actually I'm actually a mango lover. I love the sweet and creamy taste.
Mangoes are great too, but I think apples are more refreshing. Yes, bananas are perfect for snacking on the go.
I think we all have different tastes, but that's what makes it fun.